These ocean facts videos are going viral on TikTok and getting millions and millions of views. And in this video, we'll be showing you how you guys can create videos just like these and make thousands of dollars each month using the Creativity Program Beta and on YouTube. First, we need a video script, copyrighted free videos, and you need a voiceover. And you can do this either by using your voice or by AI. For our video script, go on ChatGPT and type "write creepy facts you didn't know about the ocean." And ChatGPT will write our video script for us, and now we have it in less than a minute. Now go on Canva and type in TikTok video and click on create blank. Now go on the bottom and click on videos and type scary ocean waves and click on a video that you like. And we chose this one, and now we're going to just drag it along. And the video clip itself is 29 seconds, and we want our entire video to be about a minute long or a minute and 2 seconds. So we're going to copy the pages from 1 to 3 pages just so we can hit that 1 minute mark. And keep in mind, Canva has both free and paid videos that you can use for your videos. And once you finish, click on the upper right hand corner and click on download, and then download. Now go on CapCut and click on the plus button to create your new project. Now go on ChatGPT and copy the title of your video. And here it's "Write creepy facts you didn't know about the ocean." And then go on CapCut and click on add text and then paste your text. Then click on text to speech, and we're going to choose the one that says male storyteller. And you can choose any voice that you like, or you can even use your own voice. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the first point, then go back to CapCut and click on add text and type number 1 before adding your text. Then click on text to speech and click on male storyteller, or the voice that you're choosing. And you keep doing this for the rest of your video script. And the reason we're copying and pasting each point by itself is because CapCut has a limited amount of characters and words that you can add in the text box. Now you have to screen record your entire video, and this is so we can add our auto captions. Now click on audio, then extract it, and click on the video of your screen recording. Now we have our audio. Now we're going to delete all of the audio that we did for text to speech, and the text as well, but don't worry, we're going to create our auto captions so it'll look much better. Now click on auto captions and choose the text design that you like. And this is how our captions look, and we're just going to move it to the center and make sure all of the words are correct and have the right spelling. So now we have our video script, our copyrighted free videos, and voiceover. And once you finish, click on the arrow on the upper right hand corner, and you then have your video. And bonus tip is to add scary music on TikTok before you post your video. Be consistent. You need to be posting 1 to 3 times per day or more to get your viral video. Be consistent and the results will show. And if you want to know how to create viral Reddit story videos for free for the TikTok Creativity Program Beta and make thousands of dollars each month, make sure to watch a video in the description box below. And here's our final video.